Dear buyer, welcome to our Mrs. Hair Show. What you see now is the tool that will use. Our hair can be straightened and can be rolled. First of all, you need to open the box and take out the product. The plural Uchi is 2 rounds. The head, when you plural Uchi in the powered for about 5 minutes. You can use it. Open the clip, take the tight amount of hair, wrap it around the hair curling rod in the direction of T root. Close the clip. Rotate the shag, pay as needed. Wait for 5 to 12 seconds. You can create beautiful straight hair or curly hair. The line length is 1 meter 6 s. So you don't have to worry about the root line. The length of the hair plate is 18 centimeters. The color is purple. The pattern is printed on it, and the texture is very beautiful.